In today's video, we are going to show you how to verify your proof of address on Deriv. Proof of address verification is very important because it helps unlock full account features like deposits, withdrawals, and increased account security. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside of the dashboard, I want you to scroll down on the bottom left corner, click your profile icon, and then go to the verification section. All you have to do now is locate the section called proof of address, which is, as you may notice, it's still unverified. I want you to click on it. And before you upload anything, make sure your documents meets the Deriv's requirements. So you can choose how you like to verify. You can use a location, you can use your device's GPS to verify your home address instantly, or upload a document such as bank statement or utility bill. These are going to be the accepted proof of address documents like affidavit, contract of lease, government official letter, insurance document, statement of account, tax receipt, and utility bill. Of course, we're going to send some statement of account. You can scan the QR code with your phone to complete the verification, or if you want to continue on desktop, you can do that. Now, once submitted, Deriv will review your document. Verification can sometimes take a few minutes, but in some cases, it may take up to several business days, depending on review volume. You can monitor the status directly from the verification section. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you verify proof of address on Deriv. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.